Alright, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? We have my Antminer L3 here, and I think it's time to finally pull the plug. Ugh. In addition to a lot of other things that are not mining. We have this rig and that rig, but let's talk about profitability on the Antminer L3, because it's just getting abysmal. All right, so we're upstairs, and basically I'm making this video because a lot of people are like, oh my god, GPU mining's not doing it. Do we need to switch on to ASIC mining? And some ASIC miners are making some money. I just want to be clear here that L3 pluses are not. So let's switch it around. At the moment, if we go into ASIC miner value, if you have a perfectly performing 504 mega hash L3 plus, which is what model I have, it's going to burn $2.30 a day of electric. It's going to make you $1.32. So that means it's losing 99 cents a day if you sold every day and tried to collect. That's $355 a year, or $29 a month of loss, like negative. Now, obviously, if you mine it and keep the coins, you can make more. I have been mining on F2 pool, and right at 500 mega hash will net you 0.007 Litecoin, which let's go ahead and we'll put that into a Litecoin calculator. LTC to USD. So control paste. That's 40 cents worth of Litecoin a day, and it will give you 13.9 Doge, which if I'm correct, coin market cap Doge is 6.2 cents. So 6.2 or wait, sorry, 6.2 cents times, was it 13.9 a day? So 86 cents worth of Doge and 40 cents worth of Litecoin. So combined, oh, that's not right. 86 cents worth of Doge, oh my gosh, plus 40 cents worth of Litecoin, you'd be getting $1.26 if you're essentially dual mining with Litecoin and Dogecoin on F2 pool, estimated for 1 day, which is better. We'll see here. Oh, it's not better than what the estimated is on ASIC miner value. They estimated $1.32 a day, and F2 pool is estimating $1.26 a day. So it'd still be losing money, even if you're getting your Litecoin and your Dogecoin. Some people are mining it hoping Litecoin and Dogecoin will go up, and I'm not saying it couldn't, but it definitely couldn't. Now just take that with a grain of salt. It is what it is. Hold on, let me flip this around again. It is what it is. I enjoyed mining on this L3 a lot, many different times, but I'm scaling back right now, and I'm turning things off, and it just feels right. It just feels right to turn this one off. There was definitely a time where it was making a good amount of money, and I basically used my L3 Plus and the Litecoin it generated to pay for basically all, if not a majority, of my rig fees on Hive, because Litecoin is really, really low fees, and it sends pretty quick. So that's what I was using my L3 Plus for a majority of the time, and then I just stacked up the Dogecoin. I should have sold my Dogecoin off because it was worth quite a bit more than it is now, but that's neither here nor there. It is what it is. Yeah. So that's pretty much how the cookie crumbles on the L3 Plus. Would I recommend going out and getting one? No, but if you can find one like dirt cheap, and you want to stack some coins up and hope they go up in the future, that's the only way you're going to be profitable on an Antminer L3 Plus. Unless, hold on, let's see what power level it would take, or how cheap of a power you would need to make it profitable. So ASIC miner value has 12 cents per kilowatt figured in. Let's do 10 cents per kilowatt. That's still losing 59 cents a day. Let's go down and drop it to 9 cents per kilowatt. We're getting down below what most people are paying. There are a couple people out there. Let's do 7 cents per kilowatt hour. you're basically break even at 7 cents per kilowatt hour. So anything under 7 cents per kilowatt hour as of right now, which for reference it is September 26th, 2022, you would start profiting at 6 cents per kilowatt hour. I know there are people out there with lower electrics than that, but I'd say on average, most people have 10 cents or higher. So on average, if you're watching this video, you will be losing money currently with an Antminer L3 Plus. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope y'all have a good one. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I hope y'all have a good one. I figured I'd flip it around and talk to you guys so I can talk to you. We got the old shop cat in here. He's having a good time. And be safe out there. I know there's some hurricanes and stuff blowing in coming up this weekend, so batten down the hatches. Don't do anything you don't have to, and I'll see you on the flip side. So peace out. I'd also love to hear if you guys are running any ASIC miners right now. Please comment down below and let me know what your strategy is. Are you just mining them and holding the coin until they go up, or are you shutting yours off temporarily? Now, by the way, I am shutting mine off, but I'm not selling it. I am going to hold on to it because I think there is a time and place to run these during the next bull market. I think these probably would do well as long as either Litecoin or Dogecoin's doing well. But I'm not willing to risk the, 34, basically 30, no, it's more than that. Hold on. Let me type that back in. Let's see what just the electric burn is here. 1, 2, apply. The electric burn is $70 a month. So at the moment, not worth risking the investment of $70 a month for me, just to gain a little bit of Litecoin and a little bit of Dogecoin, because I already have some. So for some people, it may be worth that. Yeah, but definitely don't be paying no high prices for these things, because these things were going for a pretty penny a while back. They better be cheap now. All right, let's look at eBay. Let's see what their price is. Oh my, if you look at buy it now and we go to, let's do lowest first. They're all going for $250 plus, and that's without a power supply. With a power supply, $270 with $20 shipping. I'd say these are a solid pass at the moment. You let the market keep going down and these be unprofitable for a longer period of time, these things are going to go for $100. Just watch. They are going to go dirt cheap. So yeah. Now with that being said, I'm going to bid y'all a farewell. Have a good night. I'll see you on the flip side for real. The video's over. Later, guys.